Hello everyone, myself Kalpesh Kubal and today we are going to learn inheritance and cloning of object in PHP. Now what is inheritance? A class derived from another class is nothing but inheritance. So there is a parent and child relationship between the classes. So the child class will always inherit all the public and protected properties or attributes and methods or function from the parent class. Also, it can have its own properties and methods apart from inherited methods and properties. Here is the example of inheritance. There is a class fruit which is a base class or a superclass or a parent class. It has two attributes, name and color. It has two functions. One is constructor which has parameters name and color, and another is intro function which displays a message. There is another class strawberry which extends fruit class. Now strawberry class becomes the child or a subclass or a derived class. It has one function which displays one message. Now outside the both class I have created an object of strawberry, and inside that constructor I have passed name and color of the fruit. Now I have called message using the strawberry object and intro using the strawberry object. Now when I call message, it will display output as am I a fruit or a berry, and then I called intro which is inherited from the base class. So it display the message the fruit is strawberry and the color is red. There is also a protected access modifier. In previous example, all the attributes and functions are public. Now here I made the intro function as protected. Now when we use protected, that function or attribute is limited within the same function, or it can be called inside the inherited class. So here intro is a base class function which is protected, and I'm trying to call that function outside the class. Since it is protected, it cannot be accessed outside the class and you will get an error on the screen. To overcome this error, we have a following solution. Instead of calling intro outside the class, you call intro inside a derived class. So here I have called intro function inside a message function, which is the derived class function. So when I called message function using strawberry object, the intro will automatically get called and the message will be displayed. So this time you will not get error and you will get a proper message. The fruit is strawberry and color is red. The another concept in PHP is cloning of object. Cloning means creating a copy of that particular object. So to create a copy of that particular object, we use a keyword clone. So there is also a method underscore clone which can be called, but that cannot be called directly to create a copy of that particular object. When object is cloned using a keyword clone, PHP will perform a shallow copy of all the object's properties. So what it will do, it will assign all the attributes of the current object to a newly cloned object. So the syntax is the new object equal to keyword clone and the object to be copied. For example, here I have created a class ABC and there are three properties or attributes, data1, data2 and data3. Now outside the class I have created object obj of class ABC. Now I am going to create a clone of obj So copy equal clone obj. So now copy becomes the cloned object of class ABC. Now already data1, data2, data3 are the attributes of obj object. Now those three attributes becomes the attribute of newly cloned object, that is copy. So now I am initializing or setting the value of objects. So obj data1 equal to gigs, obj data2 equal to 4, obj data3 equal to gigs. Now I can assign value to the clone attributes. So copy data1 computer, copy data2 science, copy data3 portal, and using echo statement I am printing values of both the objects. So here is the output gigs for gigs computer science portal. Thank you so much. If you like this video, then kindly subscribe and like my channel. Thank you once again.